Hey, how you doing? This is Marlon Hurd, the Valuenaire, coming at you with some more great valuable information. Today, I'm going to give you a great tax tip. Now, just to let you know, as a disclaimer, I am not a tax professional, okay? This is just for entertainment and informational purposes. I'm just here to give you some information, letting you know what you have access to, okay? So if you want to really know if this works, contact a tax professional to confirm this, okay? But I got this from a very reliable source, and I just want to let you know what you have access to, okay? Now, this is for individuals that have children, ages 6 and above. And this is a way that you can get some great tax breaks, some great tax benefits, also being able to buy your children things with tax-free dollars, okay? Then this is also how people who are able to buy their children these luxury cars when they turn 16. I'm gonna show you how that works as well too, okay? So, hiring your children, all right? You can pay your child just a little over $6,000 per year, okay? Now, there are no child labor laws or any of that nature because you don't have your child sweating in the basement. And everything I'm getting ready to show you how to do is it leaves a paper trail. In order to get these tax breaks, if you put these on your taxes and say, hey, this is a deduction, you're going to have to show a paper trail. This is also a way to keep yourself audit proof as well too. But you can pay your child up to $6,000 per year, just a little over $6,000. I don't know the exact number. All right, and your child has to be at least 6 years or older. All right, they have to be 6 years old or older. Okay, so here's how this works. Your child is going to be doing things around the house anyway. All right, and if you have a business, especially the business that you do from your home, then the home is going to need some what? Some upkeep. You're going to need some help in your business. So the first thing you need to do is, number one, all right, come up with a job description of what your child is going to do, all right? And you want to write it down, okay? You want to have it in like a contract form, okay? Job description, type something up. Hey, little Keisha, this is what she does, and you sign it and have Keisha sign it. Little Keisha sign it, all right? Just have her write her name, okay? So what is that? That's paper. It's a paper trail, okay? Then what you need to do, number 2, is get a time card. Just, get some index cards and say, Monday through Friday, they're going to work 5 hours and I'm going to pay them $25 or whatever you want to pay them. Okay? And every week you write that on the time card. What is that? Paper trail. Paper trail, paper trail, paper trail. Okay? Number 3, okay, you want to open them a bank account. All right, go down to your bank and open up an account for your child. All right, open up an account for your child in their name along with you. What is that? Paper trail. Okay. Number 4, what you want to do is pay them with a check. All right, pay them with the check from your business account or wherever your money is going for your business. So if your money's going into your personal account, pay them from that account. Preferably, you want to open a business account. All right, preferably you want to establish an LLC, open a business account, and all your business money go into your business account, okay? And then at the end of the week, you want to pay your child in a check. You want to take the check down to the bank and put the check into the child's account. What is that showing? It's showing the child being paid from the business. Paper trail, okay? So now the child has $25 in their account. Also, get a debit card for that child as well too. Get a debit card with your name on it and the child's name, okay? That's another thing. All right, open a bank account. We're just gonna put with debit card, okay? And then you want to make sure you keep good records. Keep good records, all right? And you want to have a way to document all of this. Now, there are a couple of apps out there that do this for you. All you have to do is put the information in the app, and the app will document it all for you. When it comes tax time, you can just print off the report, okay? I'll put a link somewhere for that as well too, where you can get access to this app that will document all of your business spending. mileage, everything. Mileage, rent, utilities, travel, postage, business supplies, furniture, all that stuff. It will has the categories, and it will all document it all for you, okay? I'll put a link for that as well too. But you want to keep good records, all right? And then when you pay them, deduct it under the payroll slot, all right? And inside this app is an area that says payroll. Put it under payroll, the name of the business, whatever LLC paid Keisha, all right? So you got a paper trail. Now, and so that's deducted. So now when the child wants to go and you want to buy something for your child, get that child's debit card and go what? Pay for it. Now, here's another great thing. If that child buys something that's considered business, you can deduct it again. Seriously, because it's their money. It's their money. So let's say they want to go buy some pencils or something like that. That's a business supply. All right. And because they work for the family business, they're part of the family business, that's a deduction as well too. So not only did you deduct the payroll, that child can now deduct those pencils as well too. This stuff's crazy. This stuff is so crazy. So does this make sense? I know a lot of you like, man, I did not know this, but in order for this to work, you must have a business. You must be in a home-based business. If you don't have one, I have two that you can become a part of that will immediately make you a business owner. You can start doing this right now, okay? So, hope you got this. Now, you got these individuals that go out and buy their kids these cars at 16, right? These luxury cars. So remember, child is 6, so from 6 years old to 16 years old, that's 10 years. All right? If they're paying, let's say they're paying that child the full $6,000 a year, okay? Well, 6,000 times 10 equals $60,000. Now, I'm pretty sure it's not all 60,000 or what have you. Maybe even more, because I'm pretty sure they put that money in an interest-bearing account, and maybe it's 70,000, maybe it's 80,000. So what do? They take 40,000. All right, they take 40,000 and go buy the car, cash. And because that child still works for the family business, most of those miles are what? Deductions. They are deductible miles because the business bought the car, because the child works for the business. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know how this stuff works. Okay, so hope this video was helpful for you. Listen, you need to be in a business. You need to join a business. There are so many benefits to having a business. Even if you're working full time, there are some tax benefits you can get on your own paycheck. So join a business. So connect with me on this in the description area. It's going to allow you to connect with me, text me, call me, email me, something. But you must be in a business right now, okay? So Marlon the Valuenaire, hope this information is valuable to you, and be talking with you soon.